Are you ready to explore a strategic marketing plan for an AI healthcare application? This video will guide you through developing a comprehensive marketing plan for a SaaS app on the Apple App Store. Learn how to effectively reach and engage your target audience.
The aim is to develop knowledge of marketing principles and their application in business. You will learn to create a marketing plan for a specific product or service. This involves understanding general marketing strategies. You'll gain practical skills in developing a strategic marketing plan. The focus will be on an AI healthcare application. Market research identifies tech-savvy individuals aged 25 to 45. The target is urban areas in North America and Europe. Users are interested in proactive health management. Competitors include MyFitnessPal and Fitbit. Trends show increasing adoption of digital health solutions. Smart objectives include achieving 100,000 downloads in 6 months, attain a 50% retention rate after 3 months, generate a 4.5-star rating on the App Store, establish partnerships with influencers. These objectives drive the marketing plan's success. The positioning statement emphasizes personalized health insights. The unique selling proposition highlights AI-driven insights at your fingertips. Strategies focus on user convenience and efficiency. Differentiation is key in a competitive market. The aim is to empower users with technology. The product features AI-driven health assessments. Integration with Apple Health is a key feature. Secure data management ensures user trust. A user-friendly interface enhances experience. Regular updates keep the app relevant. The pricing strategy uses a freemium model. Monthly and annual subscription plans are available. A launch offer provides a 50% discount. Pricing aims to attract and retain users. It balances accessibility and profitability. Distribution is exclusive to the Apple App Store. Promotion leverages Apple's featured app sections. Initial focus is on North America and Europe. Expansion plans depend on market response. Geographic coverage aims for strategic growth. Digital marketing includes social media and content marketing. Influencer collaborations reach broader audiences. Email campaigns nurture leads to convert users. App Store optimization enhances visibility. Public relations increase brand awareness. The timeline spans 6 months from development to optimization. Budget allocation covers development, marketing, and content. Team roles include project manager and digital marketer. PR and ASO specialists enhance app presence. Content creators engage users through various channels. Key performance indicators track downloads and retention. Tools like Google Analytics assess user behavior. Monthly reviews adjust strategies based on performance. User feedback informs continuous improvement. Data-driven decisions optimize campaign effectiveness. Strategic objectives guide the marketing plan's direction. These include introducing new features and expanding markets. Objectives aim to increase sales and profits. Enhancing reputation is a key focus. Each objective is measurable and actionable. The primary target is adults aged 25 to 45. Inclusive marketing addresses all genders. Professionals seek convenient health solutions. Healthcare providers may recommend the app. This demographic is tech-savvy and health-conscious. Primary markets are North America and Europe. Secondary focus is on Asia-Pacific regions. Urban areas are prioritized for tech adoption. Geographic targeting aligns with smartphone penetration. Market expansion depends on regional responses. The focus is on middle to upper middle-class individuals. College-educated users are more likely to adopt the app. Disposable income supports premium subscriptions. Education level influences awareness of AI benefits. This group values health investments. Health-conscious individuals prioritize fitness and wellness. Tech enthusiasts are early adopters of AI solutions. Users value proactive health management. Convenience seekers prefer digital health solutions. Behavioral targeting includes frequent app users. Resistance to change and resource constraints are common barriers. Market dynamics can disrupt plans. Change management addresses resistance effectively. Resource allocation prioritizes critical activities. Agility allows for quick adjustments to plans. A detailed budget plan includes all anticipated expenses. Contingency funds account for unexpected costs. ROI analysis ensures efficient fund usage. Initial launch activities require higher spending. Sustained campaigns maintain ongoing engagement. KPIs align with marketing objectives for clear tracking. Analytics tools provide real-time performance data. Regular reviews assess progress and inform adjustments. Feedback mechanisms gather user insights. Agility in strategy enhances responsiveness. Skill gaps and capacity issues challenge implementation. Training programs enhance employee expertise. Hiring and outsourcing fill critical roles. Cross-functional teams improve collaboration. Addressing these issues ensures effective execution. Robust technology infrastructure supports marketing activities. App performance must meet user expectations. Data security ensures compliance with regulations. Integration with existing systems streamlines processes. Technical support addresses issues promptly.
This is the conclusion of the video. Through strategic planning and execution, the marketing plan aims to drive success for the AI healthcare app. By targeting the right audience and optimizing marketing strategies, the app can achieve its objectives. Continuous monitoring ensures the plan's effectiveness and adaptability. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us via email or WhatsApp at 0748 436 1688.